to my channel. So in this video I'll be creating this nude makeup which is super duper easy to create, and honestly this is so versatile. आपकी सारी आउटफिट्स के साथ चल जाएगा. And honestly this is so versatile कि ये हर स्किन टोन और हर फेस शेप के ऊपर इतना ज़्यादा फ्लैटरिंग लगता है. आपका कोई भी स्किन टोन है ना, ये आपके ऊपर बहुत ही अच्छा लगेगा. You just have to choose a perfect nude shade for you. Also guys, I would highly appreciate if you guys can give me some video suggestions in the comment section below. कमेंट करके जरूर बताना कि आपको ये लुक कैसा लगा, and also don't forget to comment down below a heart emoji जिससे कि मुझे पता चल जाएगा that you like the video. So if you want to know that how I created this look, then please keep on watching. But before that, make sure कि आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दो, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video. And now let's get started. So guys, I'm starting with a nice prep skin. मैंने बहुत सारा मॉइस्चराइजर अपने फेस के ऊपर अप्लाई किया है, स्पेशली नाउडेज, क्योंकि मेरे जो एक्नेज है वो हील हो रहे हैं. उसके ऊपर मैं मेडिसिन अप्लाई करी हूँ और मेडिसिन की वजह से ना थोड़ी स्किन ड्राई आउट हो जाती है. सो मैंने बहुत अच्छे से अपने फेस के ऊपर मॉइस्चराइजर अप्लाई किया है. एंड नाउ इट्स टाइम फॉर द प्राइमर. बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट दिस मेकअप टू लुक नाइस एंड ड्यूई, आई एम गोइंग टू अप्लाई दिस वेट एंड वाइट प्राइमर. दिस इज द प्राइमर सीरम. एक्चुअली दिस इज वेरी हाइड्रेटिंग. सो आई एम गोइंग टू अप्लाई 2-3 drops of this primer on my face. I'm taking this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer and I'm going to conceal my under eye circles and this acne situation that is going on. I'm gonna take a little bit concealer on the back of my hand. मैं directly नहीं apply करूँगी because I have acne on my face and I don't want to contaminate this concealer, क्योंकि मुझे of course ये future में भी use करना है. अगर directly use करूँगी तो कुछ भी bacterias वगैरह जो होंगे वो इसमें transfer हो जाएंगे, and of course I don't want that. And I'm going to blend it out with this concealer brush. This is the PAC concealer brush in the number 073. Dab करके I'm going to blend out all this imperfection. Okay, so you can see that I got a nice decent coverage on my face, and now I'm gonna even out my skin tone with a foundation. And the foundation today I'm going to use this Forever 52 foundation. I really like this foundation. ये बहुत ही अच्छा foundation है. Also I've seen some makeup artists using this on bridal makeup. तो ये bridal makeup के ऊपर भी use हो सकता है. This is just for 600-700 rupees, and honestly ये high end makeup यानी कि high end brand को भी टक्कर देता है. ये इतना अच्छा foundation है. Also सारी skin type के साथ ये चल जाता है. Like चाहे आपकी oily skin हो, dry skin हो, it will look good on you. So I'm gonna take out only one pump of it क्योंकि I want even skin tone. मुझे coverage नहीं चाहिए, just एक even layer चाहिए. Also this is very thick, तो ये a little bit goes a very long way. And in this foundation I'm in the shade FLF 011. Okay, to blend it out I'm using this PAC brush. This is in the number 257. So first off I'm gonna apply this on my neck. So I got a very nice base laid down. Now I'm gonna highlight my face with a highlighting concealer, and to do that I'll be using this Sugar Cosmetics Magic Wand Concealer. I'm in the shade 07 and this is one tone light to my skin tone. तो ये face को highlight करेगा, मेरे face के जो भी features है उसको bring out करके दिखाएगा, and face इसे बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है. Okay, again PAC 073 brush की help से I'm gonna blend it out, and this time I'm making very sure कि जहाँ पे apply किया मैं उसको वहीं पे blend करूँगी. I will not swipe my brush, I'll just dab it. I really like that how my skin is looking nice and dewy. I'm just gonna set my under eye area and this acne area ताकि वहाँ से makeup remove ना हो, because rest of my face is fine, so I'm not gonna set there क्योंकि मेरा face बहुत ही ज़्यादा nice and luminous and dewy लग रहा है. So just quickly gonna set these areas and that's it. First I'm gonna blend out all the creases that might have built up. for face I'm taking this Faces Canada blusher palette. This is, तो इसके अंदर bronzing shade है, blusher है and ये highlighter है. Highlighter इसका इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं है, but these two products are very nice. And for highlighter I'm taking this PAC highlighter. So it applies as a very nice highlighter. So I'm gonna highlight my face with this one and of course bronze and blush with this one. So now for my eyebrows, I'm taking this Sugar Arch Arrival Brow Pencil. So this is a 3-in-1 brow pencil. तो इसके इस साइड पे स्पूली है. यहाँ पे when you rotate it, इसके अंदर एक smudger brush है जिसके ऊपर of course eyebrow product लगा हुआ है. And then of course you get a pencil which is very nice and pointed. So this is a very nice brow pencil. Alright, so eyebrows fill in हो चुके हैं and now for eyeshadow, of course this is a nude makeup, so I'm gonna keep it very simple, just 2-3 steps होंगे and of course it will turn out super gorgeous. So let's get started. So first off I'm gonna take this MAC Cosmetics single eyeshadow. This is in the shade M12. Of course you can take any brown eyeshadow, you don't have to particularly buy this one, आप कोई भी ले सकते हो, that's totally fine. So I'm gonna take this on my brush, डस्ट ऑफ दी एक्स्ट्रा ताकि कोई भी फॉल आउट ना हो फेस के ऊपर, क्योंकि हम ऑलरेडी बेस मेकअप कर चुके हैं. एंड जस्ट गोना पैक दिस ऑन माय एंटायर आईलिड. So now I'm gonna take the same bronzer जो मैंने अपने फेस के ऊपर अप्लाई किया था. Take this on a very nice pointed blending brush and इस कलर की edges को I'm gonna blend out with this bronzer. So now I'm gonna take the Hilary Ruda eyeshadow palette और इसमें से I'm gonna pick up this champagne tone color. आप कोई भी champagne tone eyeshadow ले लो and just swipe it on all over your eyelid. You don't have to be precise with it. बहुत ही concentrated amount में नहीं apply करना है, just थोड़ा सा लेके swipe करना है to add a nice luster to your eyeshadow. So you can see that it has instantly brightened up my eyeshadow और बहुत ही pretty सी sheen दे दिया मेरे eyes पे. Same eyeshadow को लेके I will apply this in my inner corners and of course my brow bone. I will take the same eyeshadow and इसको मैं अपनी low lash line के ऊपर ऐड करूँगी. So now I'm going to take this nude pencil. This is by Color Icon and I'm going to apply this on my lower waterline. So I'm taking this Maybelline Total Temptation mascara now and of course I will apply this on my eyelashes. Okay, so now I'm going to tight line my upper waterline with this Plum Kajal. So lastly I'm going to apply a nice nudie brown color. This is by Faces Canada. So that's it for this video guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this look. If you did, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.